What's up, YouTube? This is your girl coming to you today with an eyebrow tutorial showing you guys how I fill in my thin eyebrows. They are very thin, I have to say. I wasn't blessed with thick eyebrows, so I have to make them. But anyway, if you are a new subscriber, thank you. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to also thank you. Also, hit the notification bell so you don't ever have to miss a video with me. Sorry, got tongue tied. But if you guys want to see how I fill in my eyebrows, stay tuned. So the first thing I do is I want to go ahead and have a clean face when I start, and I already have that. And then what else I want to do is I want to go ahead and get the products that I use, which is going to be my eyebrow pencil, and it is in the color Natural Brown, and it is Elf. Come on, by Elf. And I just picked it up from Walmart. I've been using this pen for about a couple years now, maybe not a couple years, maybe a year and a half, almost 2 years. And I've tried other products. I tried dip, the brow dip. I've tried the powders. They just don't work the way this eyebrow pencil works. If you guys have any comments below, leave them down. So okay, I'm about to get started on doing my eyebrows. And what you want to do is you want to start with a very clean face, and I already have washed my face, so it's clean. And I am going to start out with my pencil. It is Elf, and it is in the color Natural Brown. I've tried a lot of different eyebrow techniques, but they don't work for me. This is the only thing that works. I've tried the powders, I've tried the gel. If you guys have any suggestions on having like thin eyebrows, leave in the comments below. I need all the help I can get because my eyebrows, they are thin. So anyway, I'm just gonna get into it and enjoy the video. So what I'm doing, I'm just kind of making all my hairs go in one direction. And then I just kind of just freehand it. I mean, that's all you can do. And occasionally you mess up. And I do like my eyebrows to be kind of thick, but not overly thick where they just don't look like too natural. And don't worry about the excess, because you'll have like your highlighter where you go in with your makeup and highlight it around your eyes, up top of your brows. And I'm always like this, like one eyebrow will be good and then the other one is not so good. And this is my not so good side. I don't know. We'll try the other side too, but although I'm not done. But let's just do the other side. And this side, which is more thinner on the end than the other one. And if y'all see me looking over to the side, I'm actually looking in my mirror trying to see, but I'm trying to also look at the camera. So it's like, I don't know. Hey, you ever know, it's like when you're in a rush, you can do stuff like much better. But like when you're taking your time, they just don't come out the way you want them to. Okay, so we're gonna just roll with that. They look all right. They'll do for the moment. But this is definitely how I do my eyebrows. Then I will go back in, and this is my Double Wear Brush On Glow highlighter, and it's by Estee Lauder. And I don't know if you guys can see that. Here we go. Estee Lauder. And it's in the color Deep Neutral. So I just take a little bit of this, which right here, and you just roll it up. And I just start with just a little on the back of my hand, about that much. And I also just get my pen, which is just a regular brush. And if you mess up, just go back over it. Come along. But when I do my eyebrows, I'm always in a rush. So they always come out on fleek. And when I take my time, they don't ever come out right. Never. See? And every once in a while, you have to go back in and fill them in somewhere where you think that they are thin, or you messed up with the pen. So that is how I do my eyebrows when I am going somewhere. Like I said, most of the time I'm in a rush to put my eyebrows on when they come out on fleek. When I'm taking my time, I have the most complications. But if you guys have any suggestions or anything else you guys want me to do, then just leave it in the comment below, and see you next time. And if you like this video, like and subscribe. Thanks.